Hey everyone, just dropping by to say late Merry Christmas and a big shout out for the upcoming 2024. I got also some very cool projects coming up, so stick around. Alright, so first of all, we will be upgrading my original supercharger, my root style supercharger with twin ball screws.
Bearings, you fucking idiot. You only had one job, literally one job.
Thicker rods and a few seals to attempt to improve it, avoid binding, and attempt a bigger pressure. So that's first. Second of all, I will be messing around with two versions of my centrifugal supercharger. Yes, I've been working on that too, and it's very promising. But that still needs a lot of TLC, so I don't know exactly when this will be coming up. It should come up this year, but I can't really make any promises. Third, I will be playing around with a Predator Honda clone engine, and the idea is to make a few go-karts and a few other things. Yeah, I have more than just one engine. I have like 5 or so. I bought them for $50, but yeah, that is not important right now. I will try to make a mini bike and a few go-karts, and of course we will want to try to squeeze out as much power as we can. And luckily for us, AliExpress is flooded with parts that we can use, and they are very affordable. The last thing is weird, I think, but I'm trying to make a 2-stroke scooter. Okay, a 52cc weed-eater motor powered scooter, but wait, because it's not like your everyday scooter. It should have a manual clutch and a sequential gearbox. Yeah, I know those two things don't really go well together. I think it's like contradictory. I'm not sure. I don't care, okay? And of course I will be adding disc brakes. So yeah, this is a very fun ride if everything goes according to plan. I can't really promise anything, but hopefully it will. So yeah, that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching, thank you for being here, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you guys very shortly here on the channel in 2024. Catch you later guys, bye.